Life Sciences, Paper 3. Question number 1. Which amino acid is not commonly found in an alpha helix? The correct answer is proline. Question number 2. Enzyme not involved in DNA replication. Primase. Question number 3. DNA strands are antiparallel because of hydrogen bonds. Question number 4. Okazaki fragments are formed in synthesis of the lagging strand of DNA. Question number 5. Exon part of mRNA have codes for protein. Question number 6. Polysaccharide found in the exoskeleton of insects is chitin. Question number 7. The 50S ribosomal subunit is present in prokaryotic cell. Question number 8. Balbiani rings are found in polytenic chromosomes. Question number 9. Golgi complex is involved in the secretion of non-cellulosic cell wall polysaccharides. Question number 10. Non-genetic RNA is of 3 types. Question number 11. A contractile vacuole is a subcellular organelle involved in osmoregulation of or osmoregulation in protista. Question number 12. When change in the phenotype or gene expression occur without changes in the underlying DNA sequence, the phenomenon is called epigenetics. Question number 13. Photolysis of water is done by photosystem 2. Bacteriophage with radioactive DNA and protein, when injects a bacterium, the radioactivity inside the bacterium will be located in DNA. Question number 15. In G1 phase of interphase, RNA and proteins are synthesized. Question number 16. Recombinant DNA technology is used to create novel genotypes. Question number 17. Liposome encapsulated drugs are good candidates for during targeting against intracellular parasites. Question number 18. In single-stranded RNA viruses, replication occurs by which of the following enzymes? The answer is reverse transcriptase. Question number 19. Immediate hypersensitivity reactions, type 1 reactions, involves IgE, immunoglobulin E. Question number 20. Skin cancer is induced by which type of DNA damage caused by exposure to harmful UV rays in sunlight? The correct answer is D. Pyrimidine dimer formation. Question number 21. Calcium regulation in the body is carried out by the secretion of the answer is parathyroid gland. Question number 22. Apomixis is a mode of reproduction in plants in which fertilization does not take place. Question number 23. In sporophytic self-incompatibility, rejection of male gametophyte occurs at the level of stigma surface. Question number 24. Homozygous condition is seen in the family Winteraceae. Question number 25. One of the following is a bilaterally symmetrical larvae of starfish. The correct answer is Bipinnaria. Question number 26. Major advantage of sexual reproduction is that it allows rapid generation of new genotype due to recombination. Question number 27. Shoot apex of a plant bends towards a light source as a result of an unequal distribution of auxin in the shoot apex. Question number 28. Which of the following hormones will increase if communications from hypothalamus is severed? That means it is stopped, it is cut, communication is stopped. The answer is prolactin. Question number 29. Insulin stimulates glucose transport in muscle cells by activating phosphorylation dephosphorylation cascade. Question number 30. Free Martin is an example of hormonal control of sex. Question number 31. CAM plants are characterized by opening of stomata at night. Question number 32. Translocation of organic material in plants is best explained by mass flow hypothesis. Question number 33. The poison of the nematocysts of cnidarians contain hypnotoxin. Question number 34. In ruminants, which of the following part is true stomach? Abomasum. Question number 35. In most of the representatives of fishes and amphibians, one of the following types of kidney is common. Opisthonephros. Question number 36. Which one of the following joints is highly flexible for articulation and movements? Synovial joint. Question number 37. The cyclical changes in the reproductive system of primate female is known as menstrual cycle. Question number 38. Calcium regulation in the human body is carried out by the secretion of parathyroid gland. Question number 39. Question number 39. Which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? So, incorrectly matched pair is option C, interferon, an enzyme that interfere with DNA replication. This is incorrect match. Question number 40. Restriction endonuclease cuts double helical DNA. Question number 41. Albinism and phenylketonuria are caused due to recessive autosomal genes. Question number 42. Turner syndrome is depicted by XO. Question number 43. Longitudinal fission as asexual mode of reproduction is observed in Paramecium. Question number 44. Genes which confer antibiotic resistance on bacteria are located on plasmid. Question number 45. Mycorrhizae increase the absorptive surface of plants. Question number 46. Which one of the following groups of microorganisms is responsible for nitrification? The correct answer is Nitrosomonas and Nitrobacter. Question number 47. Among fishes, myogenic electric organs are found in rays. Question number 48. Animals like vampire bats, pit viper snake, etc., through specialized surface receptors, can detect infrared radiation. Question number 49. Plant group which shows mutualism in underground as well as aerial parts. Orchids. Question number 50. In tapeworms, the mature proglottis gets separated from the body by apolysis. Question number 51. Life history characteristics with K-selected organisms include repeated reproduction, few progeny, and large body size. Question number 52. Members of which trophic level would suffer the most from biological magnification of harmful substances? The answer is 4th trophic level. Question number 53. Ecological succession refers to changes in the community composition. Question number 54. Cartagena protocol is related to transgenic organisms. Question number 55. Complete picture of ecological importance of species with respect to the community structure can be obtained by studying its IVI. Question number 56. A biogeochemical cycle without an atmospheric component is phosphorus. Question number 57. Animals have acquired a variety of endogenous rhythms. When such rhythm matches with 24-hour cycle, it is termed as circadian rhythm. Question number 58. In orientation of animals, when it moves in response to gravity, the term applied is geotaxis. Question number 59. The cleaning of body surface by licking, nibbling, and such other kinds of manipulation is known as grooming. Question number 60. The visceral arcs 4 to 7 of basic vertebrate plant gave rise to one of the following system during evolution and growth of organism. The answer is respiratory system. Question number 61. One of the following animals is considered to be living fossil. Latimeria. Question number 62. An increase in the inbreeding coefficient F1 is likely to result in reduced likelihood of heterozygotes being present in populations. Question number 63. Which one of the following is not correctly matched? Flavor sour tomato and ferritin. Option D. Question number 64. Arabidopsis is advantageous for plant genetic research because it is a small plant with small genome size which can be raised easily. Question number 65. Antiviral drugs are used to inhibit the replication of viruses within the cells. Question number 66. In E. coli, presence of tryptophan amino acid causes closure of operon. Question number 67. Bioinformatics is an interdisciplinary branch which is concerned with the application of information science in analyzing the biological data. Question number 68. The process of improving human race genetically is called eugenics. Question number 69. Results of peptide MALDI-TOF cannot distinguish between these two amino acid residues, that is leucine and isoleucine. Question number 70. To get the image of the specimen in the scanning electron microscope, electrons are scattered from the surface of specimen. Question number 71. RFLP analysis is a technique that uses hybridization to detect specific DNA restriction fragment in genomic DNA. Question number 72. The best method to protect genetic resources is cryopreservation. Question number 73. DNA fingerprinting method is very useful for. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. DNA fingerprinting method is useful for DNA tests for identification and relationship, forensic studies and polymorphism. Question number 74. Affinity chromatography is used to isolate proteins based on their binding specificity. Question number 75, last question for paper 3. Which one of the following is a structural homopolysaccharide? Chitin. And that's all for today's episode. If you like the video, please share and subscribe the channel.